We will get ahead of ourselves and declare that, regrettably, that outlook is looking bleak once more as the Air Jordan 1 Low RM draws inspiration from completely different sources. The Air Jordan 1 Low RM, which first caught our attention as a futuristic, gradient-based children's shoe, falls within the EasyOn category and may be used by people of all shapes and sizes. While the zippered closure that makes that possible has been used on more mainstream Air Jordan 1 releases, the RM moniker here refers to the larger, dip-down swoosh that is visible at the quarter as well as the color-blocked, tampered-with outsole traction. Two well-known color schemes are on display as the composition debuts in low-cut, one for girls and another with a broader reach in a Panda style. Retail prices are not yet known, although the mid version costs $110.